रिलायंस फाउंडेशन की चेयरपर्सन नीता अंबानी पर अंतर्राष्ट्रीय ओलंपिक कमेटी ने एक बार फिर से विश्वास जताया है। नीता अंबानी को सर्वसम्मति से दोबारा आईओसी का सदस्य चुन लिया गया है। कुल 93 वोटर्स ने अपना वोट दिया और नीता अंबानी के पक्ष में सभी 93 वोट पड़े। 2016 में रियो डी जनेरियो ओलंपिक खेलों में नीता अंबानी को पहली बार आईओसी सदस्य चुना गया था। ग्रीन योर नेबरहुड की उषा मुरली ने प्रोजेक्ट वन ट्री के लिए न्यूज 18 को बधाई दी है। उन्होंने कहा कि सिर्फ पौधे नहीं लगाने हैं बल्कि उन पौधों का पोषण भी करना है। उन्होंने लोगों से अपने माता पिता, बच्चों और साथ ही दूसरे प्यारे लोगों के नाम पर पौधे लगाने की अपील भी की है।
Usha ji is here, who's wanting to green our neighborhood. One of the things is trees also need care and nurturing. So when you care for them and when you talk to them, is it also great?
Very therapeutic, and we have now children who have planted the trees, asking their parents that they want to visit it every day and see how is it growing. Children are the best ambassadors, so we got a lot of children involved, and we told parents, plant one tree, each one plant one, nurture one. The whole idea is you got to nurture. It's not enough planting trees, and plant in the name of your children, plant in the name of your parents, or in the memory of some loved ones, or an important date. There's an emotional connect. And then look after, even tag it, put your name and visit it every day. So it's not about planting trees, it is about looking after the trees and adopt trees. So we're saying be a tree parent or
but here it's not just beneficial for the tree, it's also beneficial for us.
Very much. It's everything. It's the biodiversity changes. The moment the biodiversity changes, when you hear the birds, the little, even the mongoose start coming, there are a lot of other even snakes. It's very healthy to have in our environment. That's part of the biodiversity. If you want to control the rat population, you need snakes. So it's everything. It's not only our health, our mind, body, soul, but it's healthy for a lot of things. Plant trees in your neighborhood, green your neighborhood,